Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will share with you the best 5-minute video about the best 5 organic pesticide mixtures for plants. All these 5 pesticides are easily available in your kitchen. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to go anywhere. Just check your kitchen and take these ingredients and make a powerful pesticide mixture for your plants and save your plants from pests and diseases. These organic pesticides are very effective and they don't harm your health or the environment. So let's get started. First, neem oil plus garlic. Both neem oil and garlic have antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help to prevent and treat a wide range of plant diseases. To make this organic pesticide, mix 5 to 10 ml of neem oil with 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves and 1 liter of water. Adjust the quantity of neem oil and garlic according to the severity of the infestation. For minor infestations, use 5 to 10 ml of neem oil and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. For severe infestations, use up to 20 ml of neem oil and 5 garlic cloves. Once the mixture is ready, spray it on the affected plants. Repeat this every 3 to 5 days for best results. Second, chili powder plus tobacco. Both chili powder and tobacco contain compounds that are toxic to many insects, including aphids, whiteflies, and mealy. The capsaicin in chili powder deters pests due to its strong odor and taste, while nicotine in tobacco acts as a contact poison, killing insects on contact. To make this organic pesticide, mix 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of tobacco powder in 1 liter of water. Stir well to ensure that the powder is evenly distributed in the water. Then spray the solution on the affected plants. Repeat this every 7 to 10 days to prevent pest infestations. Third, garlic plus mustard oil. The pungent smell and flavor of garlic and mustard oil are enough to keep pests away. Garlic contains allicin, which is a natural insecticide, while the active ingredients in mustard oil paralyze and kill pests. To make this organic pesticide, mix 5 to 10 crushed garlic cloves with 5 to 10 ml of mustard oil in 1 liter of water. Let the mixture sit for 1 to 2 hours before spraying on the affected plants. This mixture is effective against a variety of pests, including cabbage worms, cutworms, and flea beetles. Spray this mixture once, and if needed, repeat after 7 to 10 days. Fourth, green chili plus salt. The combination of green chili and salt is an excellent organic pesticide for treating powdery mildew disease in plants. The antifungal properties of green chili, along with the dehydrating effects of salt, make it a powerful solution for treating this common plant disease. To make this organic pesticide, mix 4 to 6 chopped green chilies with 1 tablespoon of salt in 1 liter of water. Let the mixture sit for 2 to 3 hours. Then strain the solution and spray it on the affected plants. Repeat this once every 3 to 5 days until the disease is completely eradicated. Fifth, tobacco plus baking soda. The combination of tobacco and baking soda is an effective organic pesticide for treating fungal diseases like powdery mildew, rust, and leaf spot. The fungicidal properties of baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, make it an excellent choice for treating these fungal infections. To make this organic pesticide, mix 1 teaspoon of tobacco powder with 1 tablespoon of baking soda in 1 liter of water. Stir well to ensure that the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Spray this solution on the affected plants. Repeat this once every 7 to 10 days to prevent the fungal diseases from coming back. So, here are the top 5 organic pesticide mixtures for your plants. All these mixtures are made with natural ingredients that are safe for your health and the environment. Try them out and keep your plants healthy and pest-free. Also, please like and share this video with your family and friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.